Hi, to change brightness in photo mode manually on Samsung Galaxy S25, just open your camera first and make sure you're in a photo mode, so the word photo lights up white. And now to actually change brightness, all we have to do is to tap the screen. And now you can see this sun icon. You can drag this sun right to increase brightness or drag it left to decrease. Also, you can press and hold it like that so it would become orange. And with the help of this way, you will lock this brightness level on the picture, and now there is no need to always tap on the screen to adjust brightness. It would be locked, as you can see. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.